a quick morning run. I'm only doing about 2 miles. It was 36 degrees this morning. So my motto is, if you can get out here when it sucks, you don't have no excuse when the weather's good. So don't let the rain stop you, the cold, or the heat, or anything. Just get out here and do it. I know it sucks, but your body will love it later. Usually be a lot of people out here every morning. But I guess they're waiting on it to warm up. So anytime doubt enters your mind, just find a way to fight it. Don't let it take over your mind. I said I was gonna run maybe 2 miles, but I feel good. So maybe do a little longer. The thing about this cold weather, it makes you run faster, that's for sure. What a way to start your day. This is my first breakfast. Well, my first breakfast was my morning prayer. I woke up, said a prayer. Sent a special prayer up for my dad. I just found out yesterday that he had a stroke on Saturday. So that was my first prayer. Keep fighting, Dad. Keep fighting. That's why I do the things I do now. Because of that strength that you gave me. Starting to go downhill now. One thing about talking while you run, helps you breathe better. Morning. Yeah. Got one person out here. If you start your day off like this, man, promise you, there's nothing that you can't accomplish throughout the day. You know, I remember when I got ready to graduate from drill sergeant school, my one of the drill sergeant leaders said, when I got ready to put my hat on, he said, what you gonna do with that? I said, I'm gonna be the best. He said, I doubt it. I looked at him and I said, never doubt me, because I'll never doubt myself. So that staple has been with me for a long, long time. It didn't just start then. I remember in the 9th grade, I tried out for the basketball team. Shout out to Coach Harrison. And when I looked at the list, my name wasn't on it. It said the following people report to the gym at 3:30 after school for practice. I didn't see my name on that list. I looked up and down, no Reggie Samuel. But I was the first one in the gym at 3:30, dressed out, ready for practice. Coach talked to us. He said, y'all are 13, 14 players that I wanted that fit the scheme that I wanted to run this year. He said, so now y'all go ahead and break out, grab a practice jersey and give me 2 lines of layups. Before we start doing the layups, he said, Reggie, come here. I said, I went up to him. He said, why are you here? You know I cut you, right? I said, yeah, I know you cut me, coach, but I'm better than half the people on this team. He said, what? I said, I'm better than half the people on this team because I know they're not going to outwork me. He said, man, there's no way I can send you home right now. Threw me a practice jersey. He said, get in the line and do some layups with everyone else. You on the team. But I just said that to say, never let no one tell you no. But the most disappointing no is when you tell yourself no. No, I can't do it. Don't say things like, that's just how it was supposed to be. No, because you can control that. You can control what you eat. You can control the people you be around. So when God said he made us in his image and his likeness, that's what he was talking about. We don't have the ability and the power that God has, but as men, and when I say men, I'm talking about men and women, human beings, we do have the unique ability to make a decision that affects our lives directly. Good word. But I ran into Coach about 10 years after I graduated high school. And he said, man, Reggie, I remember that day when I cut you, and I remember what you said to me. He said, you made me a better coach. And he also said, that was the biggest gift and curse that I've ever did as a coach, because after I left your high school and went on to coaching other places, I always shared your story. And he said that was the gift, because it motivated so many kids to want to make the team. So with that being said, once I told your story, I have 20 or 30 kids in the gym the last day of the cuts thinking that they're going to make the team. But I could only keep one. He said, because of your story, I kept one slot open just for that special kid that reminded me of you. Y'all enjoy this day. Peace be unto you.